alaikum and good morning, India. Today, on this glorious 15th of August, that same tricolor dances in the wind, reminding us of the sacrifices, the struggles, and the dreams that built our great nation. On behalf of Nadir Ajmal Memorial College of Education and Mariam Ajmal Women's College of Science and Technology, I, Khalida Parveen, with immense joy and patriotic pride, welcome our honorable chief guests, esteemed dignitaries, respected faculty members, dear students, and every proud Indian present here to celebrate the 79th Independence Day. To begin this celebration, I now invite the guiding light of our institution, Dr. Ashish Shah sir, Principal of Nadir Ajmal Memorial College of Education, to deliver the welcome address.
Happy Independence Day to one and all present over here. At the very outset, I would like to welcome our today's chief guest, Dr. Khosrul Islam, Honorable Director, AJMAL Foundation. So most welcome to this program. We have along with us Dr. Hojai, General Manager, AJMAL Foundation, esteemed dignitaries from AJMAL Foundation, Markazul Marif, and esteemed judges of today's session. Today we have gathered here to observe the 79th Independence Day.
We have the felicitation of our honorable chief guest.
And give a big round of applause to our honorable director, sir. Dr. M.R. Jadhav, sir, to felicitate him with a share.
I request our chief guest and all our honorable dignitaries to come forward for hoisting our national flag. Everyone, please stand tall, head high, heart proud, and join in singing our national anthem as our tricolors unfolds. Rashtra salute! Salute!
First of all, a happy Independence Day to all our Ajmal Foundation fraternity and each and every Indian citizen. We are so blessed that today, on the occasion of 79th Independence Day of the country, we all assembled here to celebrate the most prestigious day for each and every Indians. I am so delighted to see that the performances of our students in each and every institution is fulfilling the very purpose and objective of the establishment of institutions, and every student, they have understood, they have realized their responsibilities and putting their best of the efforts. We see that our students, they have a commitment, they have their dedication, they are so involved into their studies that they are going to make themselves a very, very contributory members in the days to come. Because Ajmal institutions believe that you, being with education, going to be asset for the nation. So I must appreciate the efforts of all our children, all our students in each and every institution, and I am so delighted to see that in every font our students are signing. This is how we all shine, and we will pay that our tribute for the freedom fighters, those who have sacrificed their life for the cause of the nation. I am on this special occasion extend my sincere thank and gratitude to all our institutions who have sent their March Past troops here. I am so impressed to see the really very highly impressive performances of our March Past team over here. Congratulations and thank to every commander and the troop member for the wonderful performance over here. I would like to declare that there will be 3 awards, special awards, first position, second position and third position. The way they have performed, and it is not like that just for a few minutes they have performed here. For last few months, they are getting up early in the morning, being inspired by the ideals of the freedom and liberty. They have understood their responsibility for the nation and their tribute for the freedom fighters. They were practicing so hard, and today they have performed so well. So they deserve a award, and that's why I would like to declare that the first position holder will get a cash award of 25,000 with a trophy. The second award winners will get the trophy along with a cash award of 20,000. The third position holders along with the trophy, they will get an award of 15,000, and all troop, rest of the troop, they will get an award of 10,000 each for the wonderful performances, the commitment they have displayed, and they have shown the capability and they have shown the enormous performances over here. And commanders, they have led the team so wonderfully, a cash award of 1,000 to each, and the commander who had led the entire troops over here, she will be awarded a cash award of 5,000 rupees. Our job is that to inspire youths so that they can contribute for the cause of the nation. I, on behalf of the entire fraternity of Ajmal Foundation, on behalf of our trustees, once again extend my sincere thank and gratitude to each and everyone who have contributed to make this wonderful arrangement. All the authorities of the colleges here, the Nazir Ajmal Memorial College of Education, Moriam Ajmal Women College of Science and Technology, Ajmal Super 40, and my particularly the colleagues in Ajmal Foundation, right from Dr. Azad to everyone, they have remarkable job to celebrate our 79th Independence Day in such a glorious manner. So wishing everyone once again the happy Independence Day, and we look forward a very prospective, a glorious future all of you. I would like to conclude here. Thank you so very much. Jai Hind.
First of all, let me wish you a very happy Independence Day. And second is your result. So one thing is clear that your 10,000 rupees is safe. Every troop is going to get that. आप लोग सभी ने बहुत अच्छा किया है. Everyone has done. They have given their best. Third position holder, they have scored a marks of 70, and it is Ajmal Modern Residential School, Velaguri. Second position goes to Marcus Boys. So Marcus Boys, they have gotten cash award of rupees 20,000 along with a trophy. And then first prize is, it is Ajmal Modern Residential School, Gopal Nagar.
Proud privilege for us and an honor on the occasion of 79 Independence Day of our country. Two of our schools, they participated in the March Past event at the district level, and in the August presence, our students, particularly from Ajmal Modern Residential School and Markaz Senior Secondary School, they performed a thunderous performance in the district level and bagged the two top positions. Ajmal Modern Residential School, they got the first prize, and Markaz Academy Senior Secondary School, they got the second prize. Many schools, even right from the Rabindranath Tagore University to Ranka Mahapadhyaya and other institutions of the district, they participated in the event. Among all the institutions, our students from two of our schools remained the victorious. Congratulations to Ajmal Modern Residential School and Markaz Academy Senior Secondary School. So, on behalf of our Ajmal CSR fraternity, award a cash award of 50,000 to the toppers. The Ajmal Modern Residential School, congratulations to Arif sir and the entire team and the troop for the wonderful performance. And again, a cash award of 25,000 to the victorious team of Markaz Academy Senior Secondary School. I congratulate Dr. Razi Ahmad sir and the entire team for the fabulous performance. Congratulations to everyone. At the same time, it's my honor to announce that three of our teams from different institutions participated in the district level quiz competition, and three of our institutions remained the first, second and third winners in the district level. The first winner, again AMRS Jogeja, Assam Modern Residential School. Congratulations to Arif sir and the team again. The second best team in the district level was Mariam Ajmal Senior Secondary School. Congratulations to Rashid sir and the entire team and the student for the wonderful performance. The third best team was again has gone to AMRS Jogeja. Arif sir and the entire team, again congratulations. So for them, first, second and third, that we would like to announce a cash award of 15,000, 10,000 and 5,000 respectively. Congratulations to everyone.